Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to invite all Facebook page follower into group automatically. First, open your Facebook account on any browser, and then switch your Facebook page. After switching Facebook page, then create a group. If you have a then create a new group. I am creating a new group. Then select on privacy, public or private, what you want. Then click on these settings. Send on time group invites to current active followers of your page. Then click on create. After creating group, all your active followers, send a invitation to join this group. Thank you.